How to fix DX11 feature level 10 is required to run the engine error in Valorant. So first what we want to do is check to see if your GPU is capable of supporting the required feature levels. So what you want to do is click on the Windows key and the key R at the exact same time, and this run window will pop up. What you want to type in here is DXDIAG. Click OK. And here you can see that the DirectX version that I'm using right now is 12. So what you want to do here is click on display. But as you can see, it also supports 10.0. So what you want to do now is head over to the internet and type in direct end user runtime web installer. Click on this link right here. Now it should start automatically. I've downloaded it already here, as you can see. So what you need to do is simply just run this setup. And once you run the setup, you'll need to restart your computer. And after the restart, you should be able to open up Valorant and play it again. And that's how to fix the DX11 feature level 10.0 is required to run the engine error in Valorant.